Okay, so this is the Dyson V8 Absolute, a superb bit of kit, but as usual with anything that's rechargeable, there's only a certain length of life in the battery. It starts to decrease and then ultimately it'll go. So we've got to the point now where I don't have as long as I want in the battery when I'm using it, and that is the reason for replacing it with this. Before I show you how to do it, and it's so easy, I'm just going to go through the battery, because this is a better, bigger, longer life battery than the one that actually came with the Dyson. So let's have a look at that. We've got the original Dyson coming in at 2800 milliamp and 21.6 volt. The Giant one comes in at 21.6 volt as well, but this has got 4500 milliamp. Right, to get started, just get rid of any accessory that's attached to it. Put that to one side, open it up like so, and that gives you access to the screws that are required. Okay, so we've opened up the bottom there, which gives us access to these two screws there, and also you'll need to access this one here. Very simple, because all we're doing is just removing this to replace it with this. So right, once you've got all three out, should find that with great ease that just slides off. So that's the original Dyson one. And if I hold these two together, there you go, and you see that you've actually got, it's exactly the same almost, except for the ridges that are on there. But let's get the new one put in and the screws put back on. Right, so just slides in exactly the same way. Drive it home. Let's pop this one in first. That's that one, and then the two on the bottom again where they came out of. Just pop that one in. We'll close the bottom back up. Close the bottom up, and then there we go, all working just like new. Right, so that was literally a couple of minutes to swap out the Dyson one for the replacement one. Obviously it's not an OEM battery, it is a lot more powerful though, so I should get a lot longer usage out of it. That's all you needed, just a screwdriver. You saw how quickly it was done, and now basically that's a brand new battery in my Dyson. Okay, so all done and dusted. You can see how is it no problem, and now I can continue with my battery uninterrupted by power use. Right, just to show you that it charges, obviously this is the original Dyson charging plug that pops into there, no problem, and you can see there it is charging.